Okay,
So
go ahead
in
and talk
terms of
about
creating a title, so remember the title is what is Google, YouTube think it's going to be found. So what are people, they feel that it helps get people find it. So people a lot of times will just take what is in the thumbnail and they'll put it in the title. Don't do that, obviously. That's basic YouTube. For this, we use TubeBuddy, we use vidIQ, we type in the title, and then they tell us whether, hey, is it a good title? Is it a great title? Is it a bad title? Based on the searches that are happening in YouTube. So you type it in, you'll go to TubeBuddy, I'll take the title in and they'll say, hey, here's what's, there's not a lot of competition, good, but it's also not searched very much, not good to do it. And then it kind of, yeah, this going through the channel, checking your impressions, checking your watch time, the minutes served, how many, that's always something you always want to pay attention to.
So once you pick the keywords, also within the first 5 seconds of your video, you want to say the keywords. You want to say the keywords, you know, at least 3 times throughout the YouTube video. And then when you're picking the title, the actual what the video is about, the thumbnail's number 1, the title's number 2, what the video is actually about is number 3 in the searches. So actually the thumbnail is the most important part of the entire video, then the title, then the actual content of the video as far as them watching it. So make sure that you are picking the right things and using the right tools to do it. So you're just typing right in, like Mark said, the title, and then it's going to show you, and we're going to show you that. Mark's going to show you that when we review a couple channels. He's going to actually show you these things. Okay. Go ahead. Oh, so interview preparation with a virtual assistant. Oh, how-to tutorial free fast. This is just, she was just showing this. So how-to tutorial free, fast, easy, and tips. So video SEO. You can find additional keywords to use by typing a word or phrase into YouTube search bar. So up at the top of YouTube, you can actually type in a title and it'll show you everything that's trending. So at the top of the search bar in YouTube, it will do that for you. So I want to talk about TubeBuddy. This is one of your favorites.
Yeah, so this is what we were talking about with the title. So we take, this is what we think a title should be. We go in there, we copy, we paste it, we put it in there, and it tells us search volume's good, optimization strength really good, competition average. So overall, that's a good weighted score. Anything yellow, green, I will tell you, it is hard to get this in dark green. So I must have thought of this one because like I'm the only one, like Kristin would have never thought of this, to get the dark green. But if you're in the orange or red, which is to the left, you just need to change some words, because what it's telling you is that, hey, it's not quite great. Like people aren't really searching that. You're going to miss people. You just always want to go basically yellow's good, green, light green is better, green, dark green is awesome. It is hard to get in the dark green. So you see, yeah, this is the difference. So you see the difference. Finding a new home. Now, what can we do? See that, you know, it's just not a great 29%. It's in the orange. It's at the, so yeah, you can go to the next one too. It says the strength is, you've done your best, but it's not very good. So this one, the problem with this one is look at the search volume. So basically the search volume is just not very good. That's why it's average. So you see that, like it's right in the middle, it's 47. So there's a, you know, maybe we could probably upgrade that to make it a little bit better and help with the searches. So when you're talking about being found, now is this going to take you, and if you have 1 view, you're going to get to 1,000? No. But what it does is it's going to make you increase a little bit more, get into the search volume and be picked up to do it, because it wants to be able to pick up what people are doing. So if you're going to do very specific, you know, maybe changing that to Boca Raton home listings in 2021 or getting rid of 2021. Boca Raton homes for sale. So this one's good. They misspelled ding. It's supposed to be doing your new home. Or actually, what was the full title? I don't know what the full title was, but see, you can see, oh, I think it must have been redoing or remodeling. I don't know.
It just doesn't, I don't
Yeah,
know. I mean, it's something redoing, I think, or I don't remember what it is, but she just can't see the first part of it.
yeah, upgrading. It must be upgrading your new home or something. But whatever was cut off. So this is pretty good. Very good. You know, you can see the search volume. It's just little things like making it better. Like that's pretty solid. Now, could I make it 100? Maybe, but then if you're doing this is where a problem is, because this, like going from 62 to 100 is good. Like you should have, you know, a virtual assistant. That's what they can do. They can just do this for you in terms of figuring it out. That part's not like in terms of where you're going to spend hours and hours doing it.